Zimbabwe, welcome to Africa and Beyond television network, where we give you the latest trending news in the nation of Zimbabwe without fear, without favor, or any bias. So, according to this Herald report, 2 suspects, they are in police custody, and they've been presented to the court for stealing a vehicle from the police station. So, according to this report, they say that the 2 suspected thieves who stole a vehicle from a police station, which they had abandoned at a crime scene after they waylaid tobacco farmers. They've appeared in court and they are being charged with theft of a motor vehicle. So, Fungai Yakobo, 23, and Tinebombo Shumba, 18. Appeared before Mr. Stanford Mambanje, and he remanded them in custody and advised them to apply for bail at the High Court. So on 6 April, around 2 a.m., along Drummond Road, Milton Park in Harare, Yakobo, Shumba, and others were still at large. They were intercepted by the police in the process of stealing tobacco bales from some trucks transporting the farm produce to the market. The accused persons eventually escaped, abandoning their motor vehicle, a Honda Fit, registration number AEO 19981. And the state alleges that the motor vehicle was seized by the police and taken to Milton Park Police Station as an exhibit. So it is alleged that on April 13, around 2:35 a.m., the accused persons went to ZRP Milton Park Police Station, where they used an unknown means to open and start the vehicle. They drove away the motor vehicle, and the offense was discovered and a report was filed. It is alleged that on 23 April, police received information on the whereabouts of the motor vehicle, which was in the possession of Yakobo, Shumba, and their accomplices at large. Police arrested Yakobo and Shumba, but their accomplices escaped with the motor vehicle. So the motor vehicle is still at large as well, but these people were arrested. So one thing I find interesting here is that the charge here is that the car was stolen. That is the issue. It was stolen from who? From the police station. It belongs to who? That is the issue. So a lot of cases, when you see these cases, some of them, they fail because of this misinterpretation. Because if the car originally belonged to these people, as this report says from the beginning, was it theft? Or these people were trying by all means to destroy the evidence? That is key here. So, and is it kuti ipapa Mapurisa edu anenge achipaona sei, but I believe kuti there is something which is wrong with this statement. But the main issue here is mota yakabiwa iri paMapurisa, iri paPolice station. How can we be safe? Are we safe as Zimbabweans kana mota ichibiwa iri paMapurisa? What went wrong? What caused these people to actually go after that vehicle? Who helped them to come out with that vehicle? Those are the key issues which really need answers. It shows that the police need to do something. The police need to make sure that they deal with some leakages which are happening at the police stations. Because just imagine, iri mota yangu inenge yatorwa ikaendwa nayo kupolice, ndosvika papolice ndonzwa kuti ndara motikari yako yarova pasi yabiwa and haisikuwanika. And who will take responsibility of all that? So I believe kuti the police will rectify this problem such that it will not extend to other people vanenge vasinei nechekuita nezvinhu izvi vobirwawo mota dzavo. So in the comment section, please let us talk about this issue.